Panama, Costa Rica, and Nicaragua were the last pieces of land that emerged from the bottom of the oceans, and by emerging, they created this bridge between two continents. This is something which is very unusual. And thanks to the existence of this bridge, species that came from North and South America were able to migrate. Also, the same phenomena happened when it came to human migrations. So Costa Rica, in ancient times, was not the center of great civilizations because it was a path, it was a transit where people came to trade. But that makes Costa Rica also a very interesting region.
Let's go back on this same location a couple of thousands of years. So you will find a forest that is almost identical to what you see right now. And for the Native Americans that lived here, and in this location we have a tribe called the Botos, B-O-T-O-S. The Botos lived in here. This forest was everything for them. It was their hardware store where they got the building materials, their pharmacy, their supermarket, their church, their place to recreate, and the place to die. For them, the rivers and the forest provided everything that they needed to be able to survive and to thrive. And for many thousands of years, this place was occupied. You could still see some of the evidence of that. There are some very rare and small archaeological sites within the property, but they're not very well studied. But the point is that in relationship that the natives had to the forest has extended to our days. We tend to forget how dependent we are on the forest still. Only about 3% of the edible plants in the forest have been domesticated. So that leaves an enormous pool of potential food plants and medicine plants.